we just went through just walked the boat down the falls there at downtown Fergus. Beautiful view. Just gotta love it. It's a little different with it all loaded up with camping gear, but worked pretty good still. But maybe when it gets a little deeper, we might run it next time, but maybe in the spring or something. I don't know. I'll have to get more airbags and some foam. Just make sure it doesn't go out there. But we'll see you in a bit on the water. Some fun rapids up ahead. Can't wait to see what this trip has to hold. That was fun. It's just beautiful down here. This is a gorgeous section of river. But yeah, I went to draw the back out, so I didn't drag it along the rocks this time and pin the front into the wall. That was fun. But yeah, you live and learn. Live and learn. But anywho, got the okay. Draw her in here. All right. Oop. I think we're good so far.
Bridge. Bring it.
Oh, there goes my fucking camera.
It's coming. It's coming, Jay. Something, grab it.
So she may be anywhere down here.
I have an idea where it went. I'm not even sure.
Oh, I guess I'm gonna do another intro here because I just lost I did all my intros not on my 360 Max there, and I just got ripped off the boat there. So that kind of sucks. So, but we're going from Fergus, the dam in Fergus there. We're heading through Elora. We're gonna run the Elora Gorge. Should be a good time. And see on the water, I lost a lot of good footage, but we'll see. Maybe we'll find it yet, but. Fun little section here. Oop. Get a better one later. Woo! Alright, draw. No way we hit it sideways if we hit it, but the water should push us back right here, right about there, and draw in. There we go. Beautiful run. Yeah, this should be a nice run from here.
Here we go! Don't look in the water.
Woo! That was awesome. That was awesome. And we'll have another one coming up here shortly. Oh. Right into the V there. Right up the center, like. Oh, I love this section. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Woo!
Hey, are you not having a good time?
Oh, I'm having a great time.
I'm having a fucking blast.
Cobra death chickens. Military grade seagulls.
Oh.
Whoever said Canadians are polite. Oh, we're coming up to the dam here in Elora, so this will be our first portage here in Elora. And never actually done under the dam here, but we'll see how that is. I think it's gonna be a bit of a portage, but we brought the wheels, so hopefully it won't be too bad. But it's been a great day on the water so far, having a lot of fun. At this point I lost a little bit of footage, but I think it'll still be all right. Gorge should be fun. That's gonna be a miserable portage though. It's hell taking it down the stairs at Victoria Park, but whatever. Gotta do some dirty things to have some fun. Okay, so it's just after 4 o'clock now. We were doing pretty good there, but we just portaged from the Elora Dam all the way to Victoria Park. Broke the set of wheels that we had to bring the boat. We had to walk down that flight of stairs. It's been a killer trip so far, but we're having fun. We're almost at the tooth of time now. Yeah, so we're on the water now. Can't wait to get this going here. I love this section of river. And friend's first time doing this one. We wanted to do it for a long time, so we're gonna have some fun today. Hopefully, we've had a lot of mishaps, so maybe it won't be fun, but we're about to find out. Here we go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. We're going to... No, we're gonna run it. We're gonna run it.
Look at how the chute is. Make sure there's no tubers in there either. But
Doesn't look like there's anybody in it.
down here.
Yes. Oh, you got us turned around. We're going backwards. Want me to paddle? No way. You got it. We're in the chute.
God is wet.
Oh yeah.
We're at the dumper.
Oh shit. We got more.
But yeah, now it's starting to leave me big time. So we'll get out up over here, we'll get out.
Oh shit. Oh, we're swimming in it. Yes. Look at it.
The camera sideways. Okay, now that is awesome. So all that was waiting there, though, my boat is full. So what do you think?
What a ride.
Oh yeah, I just had water coming in the side here. Yeah, it's just too heavy.
Oh yeah, everything's. I'm freaking soaked. Yes. What a ride, I tell you. That's freaking awesome. Oh crap, here we go, here we go. Hell yeah, let's bring it on. Woo! Wow! Yeah!
Yeah, it's not handling very good. Put it full of water. There's nothing too crazy after this.
Here we go.
Hold up.
Stay there.
We're coming right through you.
We're gonna hit you. Are you fucking serious? Yeah, we told ya. We're going sideways. We're sinking. Yes, that's awesome.
Oh, yeah, this thing's not handling the same with all this water.
No shit.
But we'll wait till we get to the portage and we'll dump it there.
Okay.
Because there's nothing.
Woohoo, here we go. Yes.
You can see all the splashes coming in. Oh yeah, we got a couple hundred pounds of water in there for sure.
At least.
Even the small waves are coming over.
Here we go, here we go.
Yeah. Yes. But we never flipped.
No, I had sugar black the whole time.
Felt like we were flipped. This is kind of like the farewell to the fun. Alright. Well, this has been one hell of a trip. We had a lot of fun today. we killed ourselves in the portages. We threw cameras in the water. We smashed wheels for canoes. We broke some other glass container. We got all our clothes soaked. So we're not gonna camp because all our gear got absolutely drenched. We had the boat half full of water. This was, and we're starving because it was, we thought we had enough food, but then the portage halfway across the country is, it was a nightmare, but it was so worth it, so worth it. I definitely suggest the Fergus through Elora. We're gonna get out at the 8th line. We just topped out and called for a ride. But see you on the next adventure. God bless.